Army Air Corps. The Texan was the primary training platform used by all U.S. airmen during World War II. That went on to fly light the fighter aircraft and the bombers, and aircraft such as the P-51 Mustang, the F-4U Corsair, the P-40 Warhawk, and both pilots simultaneously pull back on the sticks and take that 6,000-pound airplane through the half-Cuban turnaround. As they roll out 5/8 of a loop, push forward on the stick, roll the airplane right side up, and now we're headed toward each other with a closure lane. Perfectly, and Airshow Center, they cross over and start the opposing loop. They cross over and back together as the two historic airplanes head off on the y-axis. The T-6, built by North America at its plant in Texas, on the reasons that the airplane was called the Texan. The Brits called them the Harvard. They also used it as a training aircraft, and before the United States entered into World War II, we were technically a neutral country, even though we were helping the British out. And the Royal Canadian Air Force used this airplane they called the Harvard. And how could we deliver it? How could a neutral country deliver warbirds to one of the belligerents? Well, the solution was to build airplanes in Dallas, Texas, fly them north to the Canadian border, and then give them a shove, and they would roll across the border, and the Royal Canadian Air Force pilots would take over. Coming back inbound at this time, in trail, the North American team flying operation. This time for the in-place loop-the-loop. Ladies, that is for you as the Airshow team draws two heart-shaped loops in the Iowa sky, thanking each and every one of you for indulging your husbands and the males in the population to come out here to the Waterloo Regional Airport for this fantastic air show. On the downhill, they're back toward Airshow Center. Some more up close and personal flying here this afternoon for the United States Air Force Thunderbirds. But right now you're getting a small taste of what it takes to fly high-performance aircraft within a few feet of each other. That's Brian Reagan in the lead, Steve Gusperson on the wing as they come back around for their next maneuver. Once again, inbound, this time from the right. The nose is down, the smoke should be on, and they're back in the air show business. Listen to that roar of that go across the top. Watch how they put their landing gear up. Upside down and extend the landing gear. Coming back around now, they'll be landing from our left to